If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, this is the unboxing of Amazon Ring Video Doorbell 2nd General. This wireless video doorbell security camera has 1080p HD video capability. It is battery powered and it can be easily installed via Wi-Fi, as it works also with Alexa. This wireless video doorbell with 1080p HD video also has crisper night vision and features that let you see, hear, and speak to anyone from your phone or tablet. You can answer the door from wherever you are, even if you are out of town, with two-way talk, or if you're busy, save time and use quick replies to respond with a pre-selected message. You will receive instant notifications when anyone presses your doorbell or when motion is detected. The device is powered by the built-in rechargeable battery or connected to your existing doorbell wires for constant power. It is an easy, wire-free installation. Just connect your battery-powered video doorbell, 2nd Gen, to Wi-Fi in the Ring app and mount it to the wall using the included tools. You can pair with select Alexa-enabled devices and enable announcements to be notified when your doorbell is pressed or motion is detected. So with Alexa you connect Ring Video Doorbell with select Alexa-enabled devices for hands-free convenience. When your video doorbell detects movement, your Echo device or Fire TV device will notify you, so you always know who's there. When you ask Alexa to answer the front door, you can see, hear and speak to the visitors at your door. There are standard features such as instant notifications, live view and two-way talk, which are available out of the box and for free on all Ring devices. Add a Ring Protect plan, with subscription sold separately, allows you to record, review and share the moment you missed. The device comes with a 30-day free trial included in your purchase. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.